Let's now go to comprehensive health history, past medical. Let's discuss past medical history, part two. For injuries, record the nature of the injury, date, cause, example, motor vehicle accident, treatment outcome, including the long-term sequelae, especially if they affect the patient's functional ability of activities of daily living. Hospitalizations, record the reason for the hospitalization, date, and complications, if any. Obtain the name and address of the facility to obtain the patient's medical records if necessary. Transfusions, elicit and record the date, type, number of units administered, and the nature and severity of any reaction. Immunizations, elicit and record date of last immunization by type, such as diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, polio, pneumococcal vaccine, influenza, smallpox, cholera, typhoid, anthrax, bacilli calmette-guerin. Also record the date of the patient's last purified protein derivative, or PPD, tuberculin skin test, as well as any other skin testing, such as allergy testing. It's important to note that if the type of immunization requires serial administration of the vaccine, as with immunization against hepatitis B, record the date of each administration to determine if the interval between doses adheres to the recommendations of nationally accepted clinical guidelines. Also, note any unusual reactions to previous vaccinations. Some localized redness and tenderness at an injection site is considered normal, as are minor flu-like symptoms lasting 2 to 3 days. People that have been successfully vaccinated with BCG will have positive PPD tuberculin tests. Do not administer a PPD test to patients who have received BCG. Screening exams. Record the date of the following exams as appropriate to the patient, like pap smear, mammogram, prostate-specific antigen, digital rectal exam, cholesterol, lipid profile, blood glucose, eye exam, glaucoma testing, hearing test, PPD if not recorded under immunizations, chest x-ray, if patient has been immunized with BCG vaccine, and dental prophylaxis. For psychiatric or mental health, elicit and record any conditions requiring psychological or psychiatric intervention. Briefly describe treatment interventions. If hospitalization was required, note and cross-reference it to the PMH section on hospitalizations. Let's note when recording the past medical history, it is helpful to end this portion of the health history with a brief statement summarizing those elements of the history that continue to exert a significant influence on the patient's health, functional ability, and or sense of well-being. Thank you for your attention.